Hello, welcome. We are solving Mechanical Engineering Paper 1 of year 2025 of Civil Services Mains Exam. Question number 2A1 is a cylinder C weighing 1000 Newton is supported by two cylinders A and B weighing 500 Newton each as shown in the figure. Calculate the contact forces at P, Q and R. So this is the given figure. This is cylinder C, this is A, this is B. Diameter of this cylinder is of A is 1 meter and of B is 1 meter and of C is 2 meters. The weight of this C is 1000 Newton and weight of A and B are 500 Newton each respectively. So this is 3 meter. Okay. So here if we consider the equilibrium of C, if you consider the equilibrium of C, then here weight of 1000 Newton of cylinder C is acting, and this point and this point are the these point are the contact point. So here there will be reactions. So RAC is the reaction here, RBC is the reaction here. Diameter of cylinder C is 2 meters, so half of it will be, radius will be 1 meter, and diameter of cylinder B is 1 meter, so half of it will be 0.5 meters. So this dimension will be 1.5 meters, and total dimension, this dimension is 3 meters, and so half of it will be 1.5 meters. And if we subtract this 0.5 meter from here, then this the center of C and center of B horizontally will be at a distance of 1 meter. Okay, so this is 1.5 meter, this is 1 meter. So this angle is theta. So then this is your perpendicular, this is your hypotenuse. So sin theta will be here 1 by 1.5 and theta will be here 41.81. And now the force diagram can be made. So RAC is reaction here, W is weight, 1000 Newton here, RBC is reaction here. So balancing vertically, W will be equal to RAC cos theta. This angle will also be theta, and both will be equal to symmetry, and plus RBC cos theta. Or we can say W will be equal to 2 RAC cos theta, or 1000 by 2 is equal to RAC cos 41.81, or RAC will be 670.82 Newton, or reaction at P will be 670.82 Newton. Now if you consider the equilibrium of A, the weight of A is 500 Newton, and here the reactive force due to this RAC on A will be RC, so it is RC, and its magnitude will be same, that is 670.82. For horizontal reaction at R is RAH, and vertical reaction at Q is RAB. So now if we balance the forces, then 500 Newton is acting downward, weight of it, and its component RCA component is your vertical component RCA cos theta. So that will also be 500, and this will be balanced by RAB. So RAB will be your 1000 Newton, or reaction at Q will be 1000 Newton. And now horizontal component of this will balance horizontal reaction. So RAC sin theta or RCA sin theta is equal to RAH, or 670.82 sin 41.81 will be equal to RAH, that is 447.21, or that will be a reaction at